Presidential Spokesperson Yusek Claire Castro sinabi na natanggap na ng Malacanang ang opisyal na ulat mula sa Department of Justice Secretary Frederick Vida at Foreign Affairs Secretary Teresa Lazaro kung saan nilahad nila na wala na sa kustodiya ng Czech Republic ang si dating Congressman Zaldico at ito ay may nakabinbin na petisyon para sa political asylum sa France.
Sa kasalukuyan, kumpirmadong wala na sa kustodiya ng Czech authorities si Zaldico. Meanwhile, the DFA has received highly reliable information that Zaldico has a pending petition for political asylum in France. He has been requested to be transferred to and is now under the jurisdiction of French authorities. All missions in Europe have been instructed to obtain further official confirmation. Nananatiling matatag ang posisyon ng pamahalaan. We will work with foreign governments through every legal channel available under international laws to bring Zaldico home and face the graft and malversation cases filed against him. Gagawin natin ang lahat ng naaayon sa batas at sa diplomatikong proseso.